basic timer. It's all preset. I got it coming on at 3 in the morning.
Okay.
Just like, that's the way we normally program
Right.
it, to 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
Okay. I labeled on your booklet what all your zones are. This way you have it in your memory. So 1 is your front bushes. So 2 is your front lawn. So 3 is your left side. So 4 is your back. So 5 is the second back. So 6 is the right side back. That's the right side.
Yeah, the driveway.
Right side back. And zone 7 is the right side driveway. That's
Right.
this is all looking at the house.
Right. They took one zone and went to the front of the house instead
Yes.
of him coming around.
Correct.
Right.
Okay. All your run times are here also.
Right.
You have 15, 45, 30. That's the standard times we program for.
Sure.
You're going to be running on all your even days. What's your house number?
No, it's 15.
I mean odd days.
Odd
Excuse me.
days.
I programmed it for odd days.
Okay.
Okay. To water the system manually. Right now it's run. Okay. You take it. You hold that right hand arrow button for 3 seconds to 15. Watch it. That'll pop on. The little sprinkler system.
Right.
It'll take you through all your zones.
For how long?
For the amount of time it's programmed for,
Right.
it'll shut off and go back to its normal cycle.
Right.
Okay? The amount of water you have, total amount. That's zone 1, 15, zone 2 is 45. This is all I programmed everything.
Oh, the old one had the.
The slide, you had
slider,
you had
had
the
the
orbit,
slider.
you had the orbit timer.
Right, yeah.
These, you don't,
What happened? Just
they don't, yeah, we don't use them anymore. They don't make them anymore.
No, of course they don't.
So zone 3 is 30, zone 4 is 45, zone 5 is 45, zone 6 is 30, zone 7 is 30, zone 8 is nothing. So total of 4 hours worth of water.
Right.
So it's going to start at 2 o'clock in the morning, it's going to end by 6, unless you want it to end a little bit earlier or later.
You said 3. Can you? What time does it turn on?
3 o'clock, you want me to switch it? I can switch it.
Yeah, 2.
2 o'clock?
2 a.m. Because I wake up at 5 to get ready for work.
Okay, 2 a.m. Now, if you find it's a little bit too late, all the instructions are right here.
Right.
Okay? You go to, I'm just going to go.
Sure.
Your start times, go to your start times,
Right.
plus or minus. That'll take you plus 2:15,
Right. Gotcha.
2 o'clock.
It's pretty much right. Self-explanatory.
Yes, correct.
And the water days
The water days,
should be odd.
odd days. Your little range up is above your odds,
Perfect.
your odd days.
Perfect.
Okay? Your run times,
Right.
start times, seasonal adjustment, you're at 100%, which is perfect. That you don't have to worry about because that doesn't include you.
What's seasonable adjustment mean?
That's the water budget.
Right.
It's supposed to be at 100%. If you cut it in half, it'll go down, the times will go down.
Okay.
Like I said, to water the whole system manually, you want to come home, you want to give it an extra shot of water the whole
Right.
entire
It's hot
thing.
out. Whatever. Right.
Press the right hand out button for 3 seconds. It'll start zone 1, right through zone 7, shut off and go back to its normal cycle.
Right.
To water only one zone manually. You come home, your backyard, zone 5, you want to water manually. Take that to run, manual station, hit the right hand arrow button to 5, run, sprinkler light will come on, and that zone in the back will run only.
Right.
For 45 minutes, shut off and go back to its normal cycle.
Okay.
That's basically all you have to know.
Right.
On, off.
Right. Off for the season and on now.
Run
Well, I'll
to-
probably
run time.
leave it off.
Oh
you
yeah,
guys-
when I'm done, we're gonna leave. When I leave here, I'm gonna leave it
Right.
off. There is no need to water yet.
No. And you guys test it now?
They're gonna test it all, adjust everything,
Oh, okay.
and do it all night. So I'm gonna come back down and test everything through the timer.
Right.
Make sure everything works.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions on the timer?
Not now. In 3 months. I'm fucking sitting here. You know.
Well, all the instructions are right here. So
Yeah, no, it's-
like I said. You know, you got a 5-year warranty on it. Call the office.
Yeah.
They'll instruct you, or they'll get one of us
Sure.
to give you a call back.
Yeah. No. It's self-explanatory. Water days, run times.
The rain sensor is
Right.
always on bypass because the rain sensor is hooked up directly to your valves. You cannot operate this timer for 48 hours until that rain sensor dries out. That's like a safety precaution.
Right. Okay.